Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn synthesis and integration together, step by step. Hi again. Synthesis questions ask you to combine two sources, either two short texts or a text paired with a graph. Your first move is to find the relationship between them. Do they agree, disagree, or add to each other? The correct answer must fit both sources at once. A choice that matches only one of them is a trap. When a graph or table appears, slow down. Read the title, the axis labels, and the units first. Then find the exact row or data point the question references. Report only what the data shows, never why it happened. Data tells you what, not why. The wrong answers often add a cause the chart never proves. Stick to the numbers. Here are two texts. Text 1 says remote work boosts focus. Text 2 says, working from home, I miss the quick chats. The question asks how text 2's author would respond. Choice A says they'd fully agree remote work is ideal, but text 2 raises a downside. Choice B says they'd add that it can cost collaboration. That fits both. B. Now text plus data. The text says sales rose after the spring ad. The table shows March 200, April 340, May 360. The question asks which value supports the claim. Choice A points to March's 200, but that's before the ad ran. Choice B points to April's jump to 340, right after the ad. B backs the claim. Let's lock in your synthesis steps. 1. Name the link between the two sources before reading choices. 2. Read every data label before trusting a number. 3. Make sure your answer satisfies both sources, not just one. 4. Pick the choice the evidence proves and skip any that invents a cause. Master this and these become some of the most predictable points on the test. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.